How to find the gradient at a given point. For this question, we've got let f of x equals e to the x times sine x. Find f dash of pi. Looking at f of x, this is a product of two functions that can't be simplified any further. And so to differentiate this, we're going to need to use the product rule. And so we're going to let u equal the first function, which is e to the x. Deriving this is going to equal e to the x. V is going to be the second function. This is sine of x. Deriving this is going to equal cos of x. And now subbing this into the formula, we're going to get f dash of x is equal to v times u dash. And so this is going to be sine x times e to the x, and then plus u times v dash, which we can write as cos x times e to the x. And so f dash of pi is going to equal sine of pi times e to the pi plus cos of pi times e to the pi. Drawing the unit circle, pi is going to be in this point. The coordinates of this point are -1, 0. Sine of pi is then going to be the y coordinate of this point, and cos of pi is going to be the x coordinate of this point. And so we can then say that f dash of pi is going to equal 0 times e to the pi, which is just 0, and then plus cos of pi, which is -1, and then multiplied by e to the pi. And so this is equal to minus e to the pi. Now that you know how to answer this question, try out this Mathsmethods exam question from the 2023 paper, which was worth 2 marks. These are some of the easy marks that most students should get. And if you guys want to learn or practice more Mathsmethods exam questions similar to this one, then log into the Mathsmethods Club. And from the main topic, select differentiation. And then from the subtopic, select chain, product, and quotient rule. Go down to exam number and choose exam 1 and then click on filter. This is then going to instantly group all the past Mathsmethods exam questions, asking you to find the derivative of a function or the gradient at a specific point. Go through these questions and see how you go, and if you get stuck, you can watch the video solutions. Once you learn how to answer all these questions, you're going to be in a much better position to be able to answer these types of questions in your Saxon exams and to get full marks.